Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see program to delete a node from nth position in a doubly linked list. As you can see here, this is our definition of node of a doubly linked list. It is having two pointer, previous and next, and a data field. And in my previous video I have already explained the logic part of it, and please watch that particular video before watching this video, as I am going to explain only the program, and you can find that video in my playlist. So as you can see here, this is delete add function, and I am using this particular function to do this particular task for us, and it is taking two parameters. One is pos and another is a pointer having name length. Okay, so what are these two? In pos I will pass the position which I want to delete. Suppose I want to delete a node at third position, so I will pass pos equal to 3, and here this is the pointer which will point to our size of doubly linked list. Okay, now let's see what is happening in this particular if check. And one more thing before starting this thing, if you remember from my last video, we have to deal with 5 cases, that is position smaller than 1, position greater than size, then third case is position equal to 1, fourth case is position equal to last node, that is size, and any other position. So first of all, what is this if check? As you can see here, I am checking whether position is smaller than 1 or position is greater than size of the doubly linked list. As I am dereferencing the length pointer, I will get the size of this doubly linked list. I have already told you that this particular pointer will point to the size of doubly linked list. Okay. So in these two cases, I am going to print that this is an invalid input, and after that I am going to return, because I don't want this particular code to execute. So friends, this will be our case 1 and case 2. Okay. Now see what is happening here. First of all, what I am doing is I am creating a temp pointer. Suppose this is my temp pointer. After that, I am checking whether position is equal to 1 or not. That means I want to delete a node at first position, and if position will be equal to 1, what is going to happen? These lines will execute. So what I am doing here? In temp I am copying head. That is, I have to delete node 1. So first of all, I will copy in temp head, and what we have in head? We have 100 in head. So temp will be equal to 100, which means temp will start to point to node 1. After that, what is happening? Head is equal to temp.next. And what is temp.next? Temp.next will be the next part of node starting from memory address 100. And what is the next part? 200. So head will be updated to 200, which means head will start to point to node 2. After that, what is going to happen? This line will execute. Head dot previous is equal to null. And as you can see here, head is pointing to node 2. So head dot previous will be this thing. Okay. And it will be updated to null. That means this link will be broken. And after that, we are going to delete temp. That is, this node will be deleted. Now let's see how to delete a node at last position. So as you can see here, this is the elif case in which I am handling that particular case. So first of all, what I am doing? I am traversing, and this is the code of traversal. So first of all, what I am doing? I am creating a current pointer, and this current pointer I am copying 100. So suppose this is my current pointer. So I will copy head, and as you can see here, head is 100. So I will copy 100 here, and this is my current pointer, and then I am going to traverse. As you can see here size of my doubly linked list is 4. So pos will be equal to 4 when I want to delete a node at last position. So how many times this particular for loop will execute? This particular for loop will execute for 2 times. Why? Because in time equal to 0, position is smaller than 4 minus 2, that is 2. So this particular for loop will execute for 2 times. And this current pointer will be updated 2 times. So After first updation, what is going to happen? First current is pointing to this particular node. After that, first iteration current will start to point to this node, that is it will contain 200, and after second iteration current will start to point to node 3 and it will contain 300. And after that, what is going to happen? We will execute this line of code. That is, in temp I am going to update current dot next. See, here I have temp. In temp I am going to update current dot next. And what is current here? 300. Okay. And current dot next will be equal to 400. Which means temp will start to point to node 4. Correct? Then current dot next equal to null. And where is my current pointing right now? N3. So this will be updated to null and this link will be broken. After that, what I am doing? Deleting temp. So what is going to happen? Node 4 is going to delete. Why? Because temp is holding the address of node 4. So this particular node will be deleted from memory. Now let's see how to delete a node at any other position. Suppose the position is 3. So what is going to happen? Pos will be equal to 3. And one more thing. First of all, this temp variable will be created and we are going to use this temp variable to store the address of node which we want to delete. Now let's see what is going to happen if we want to delete a node at third position. First of all, a curve pointer will be created. Okay? And in this curve pointer, I am going to update head. That is, curve will be equal to 100, which means this particular pointer is going to point to first node. And after this particular for loop will execute. And as you can see here, this for loop will run from int I equal to 0 to position -2. And what is positions? 3. So I is smaller than 1. That is, if I want to delete a node at third position, this for loop will execute for one time and it is going to update current pointer. So after one execution, this current pointer will start to point to node 2. Okay. After that, we are going to execute these lines of code. So first of all, what I am doing? In temp, I am updating current dot next. And what is current right now? Current is equal to node 2. So current dot next is the next part of node 2. That is, in temp, I am updating 300. After that, what I am doing? In current dot next, I am updating temp dot next. See, temp dot is pointing to node 3. In current dot next, what is current dot next? Current dot next is the next part of node 2. And here I am copying temp dot next. Temp is node 3. Temp is pointing to node 3. And temp 3 dot next is pointing to node 4. So here I am updating this to 400, which means node 2 will start to point to node 4. After that, what is going to happen? Temp dot next dot previous. Using temp dot next, I am reaching to node 4 and then I am updating its previous part. And how I am updating it? I am updating it to current. And what is current? 200. So I am updating it to 200. This link will be broken and link will be created from node 4 to node 2. And in next line, what I am deleting? I am deleting temp. Okay. And what is temp containing? Temp is containing 300. Basically, what it means? I am deleting this particular node. Okay. Now, as you can see here, node 2 is starting to point to node 4 and node 4 previous pointer is pointing to node 2. So we are done. So this is our case 5. So what is to shortcut or summarize? What I can say here? To delete with 2 case, these are error. Third case, that is position equal to 1, I need 1 pointer only. And in remaining 2 case, I need 2 pointer. 1 pointer for traversing, which is current, and second pointer is temp, which will keep the address of node which I want to delete. Okay, so this is all I have for this program part of deleting a node at nth position in a doubly linked list. And friends, if you have liked it, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching.